Can anyone tell me the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous? If the students don't answer your question or my question, I'll go ahead and explain continuous. Do you know the difference? And then I'll go ahead and explain present perfect. In the present perfect, we express that an action is completed, or we use it to emphasize its result. In the present perfect, we use irregular verbs form of have plus third column of irregular verbs. And then I'll give example. I, you, we, they have spoken. He, she, it has spoken. And the regular verbs that you already studied, the form of have plus the infinitive finishing ed. Example, I, you, we, they have worked. He, she, it has worked. As you can see, the action is already finished. We already finished speaking. We already finished working. At the same time, present perfect continuous use have. But in the present perfect continuous, we emphasize the duration or continuous course of an action. In this time, we're going to use have plus the verb to be in the past participle, that is been, as you can see, plus the verb finishing in ing. Example, I, you, we, they have been speaking. He, she, it has been speaking. That means the action is not finished, and we still do connoting the course of an action. This action is still going on. Remember that we use for a period of time, and we use since for showing a point when the action started. So we can say, for example, they have speaking 4 hours, for 2 days, for 2 years. We use since when they started. They have speaking since yesterday. Now we're going to practice with you what we just have checked in an oral practice. Using the words in parentheses, we're going to complete the text below. So I'm going to read and you are going to complete with me. Robin, I think the doctor, the verb is forget, us. Remember what is the meaning of forget? Okay, very good. Thank you, Clara. I think the doctor has forgotten us. We emphasize an action. I think the doctor has forgotten us. We wait. Remember, wait? It's the action of hoping for something or somebody to arrive or to happen. Here for over half an hour and nobody to ask why we are here. Very good, Peter. We have been waiting here for over half an hour and nobody has come to ask why we're here. Very good. Here we don't emphasize time or a current action. In the second one, has come is not an emphasis of time, but of an action. And we go ahead and complete all the oral activity with the students. Now it's time for some vocabulary exercises. For that, I decided to provide the students with a photocopy with vocabulary related to sicknesses and hospitals, in which they have to do a match. In one side there is the words, and in the other side the advice that a person or a doctor will do to cure them or to alleviate them. Okay, number 1. Marcos, a sore throat. What is a sore throat? Yes, very good. It's like in the image. The woman has a sore throat. Her throat sores, as it says. She has a pain in the throat. And what is the advice that you chose? Very good. Drink lots of liquids. Any other advice that you suggest, guys? Very good. See a doctor and get some medicine. Number 2, a cough. Can anyone explain me what is a cough? Yes, Peter. Yes, very good. It's the action of coughing. And what is the advice that you decide? Very good. It is important as well to drink lots of liquids, probably to take some aspirin and go see a doctor. And so, me as a teacher, I'll go ahead with all the problems up to 8 and with all the advices. We have to notice that sometimes there are more advices than one.